Hello, my name is Pavel Simerda and I'm currently working on DNS container images. We have two DNS container images here, one for caching DNS server, other for authoritative DNS server, both using bind. So let's start with the caching one. The caching one is rather simple. It runs bind. It runs it using a Python script that uses some modules that are installed as part of the image. Let's look quickly at the script. This script basically reads a template, writes the template, and between those sections it uses the configuration file config.yaml, and when config.yaml does not provide the forwarders, it uses etc.resolve.conf. So this deserves a bit more attention. The caching name server uses forwarding name servers. By default, those forwarding name servers are taken from etc.resolve.conf, which is provided by Docker. But you can specify name servers explicitly using the config file, which in this case would be just uncommenting this line for one of public DNS servers. So let's stick with the default, because the parsing of etc.resolve.conf is a new feature here. Let's start it. Once the server is run, we can look at Docker PS output. So it's running on localhost 53. So you can use dig in an ordinary way to query localhost for some well-known internet name like info.nix.sz. Okay, it works. Nothing more is needed from me here. So let's kill the container now. And let's go and look at the authoritative server, which is organized in a very similar way, except that the config file is important here and is slightly more complex and defines actual zones for actual domains. So if we start this container, if we start the container using this image, then we also will see Docker PS showing name server on the localhost, but in this case we are not going to ask for a publicly known name, but we will be testing this exact zone that's here. And we can, for example, ask for a.ns.example.net, and you can see that the example address defined in the config for a.ns is returned. So the authoritative master server works, and next time we can define some slave servers and stuff like that. Thank you.